Hello, what's up YouTube? Welcome once again. Today I'm going to be unboxing and taking a look at a flip phone. As you can see that I bought it from Flipkart. Okay, so this is the box. As you can see, I've already broken the seal with my knife here. Okay, let's open this thing up and take a look what's inside. Okay, this is the box itself that the phone comes in. Okay, so this is FORME S700. It comes with 12 months warranty and WhatsApp pre-installed along with Facebook. And as you know, during this period it's very hard to get a flip phone, and I especially like to thank Flipkart for making it possible. And it comes in 5 different colors, and I chose this red one especially because it's more attractive than the others. And coming to its features, it has dual SIM and dual standby, MP3 and MP4 players, Bluetooth, FM radio, TU flash, high definition camera, multimedia, multinational languages, and some GSM bands that this thing supports. And okay, let's open this thing up and take a look at what's inside. Let me cut this seal here, like so, and there you go. So this is the packaging, and first up is this warranty card, and this is very basic, nothing much to show there. And this is the charger, and this is just, I don't know what it is, but it's very tiny little pin charger along with the 2-pin wall mount. There is a FORME logo there, and maybe headphones. These are ouch. So these are not the in-ear type or headphones that comes with the earbuds that is. These are just normal type headphones, but the pin is a, I think this is a mini USB or micro USB maybe. Okay, that's it. So coming back to the phone itself. So this is the phone that I'm talking about. We'll come back to that in a minute. Okay, this is the battery that powers this phone, and this is I'm not able to see the capacity of this battery. Maybe it should be somewhere around here, I don't know. Okay, let's put the battery in this phone and see how this thing powers up. Okay, this is where the flap is, and that is that. Okay, before installing the battery, I'm gonna put my SIM card and micro SD card inside this phone. Here goes the micro SD card. I'm gonna put Samsung 16GB micro SD card and see whether this thing supports this. Okay, now this is the slot for the first SIM, this is the slot for the second SIM, and I'm gonna put this Vodafone SIM in here. Alright, now the battery goes like so. Okay, that's that's done. I'm sorry, that's done. That's everything is nicely in its position, and let's power this thing up. So they say this is for me, not foam. So so that's it. It looks pretty good, and pretty nice wallpaper as well. Nice display, very crisp. And oh, look at the battery icon there. It's huge. As you can see, it's huge battery icon. And these are the buttons. Pretty neat and very soft. This is glossy, alright, but this looks very soft. And wait a minute there. Okay. So this is the display. I'm not sure that you're able to see this, but this looks pretty beautiful for the price I'm paying. I mean, this is just around 1400 Indian rupees, but this is so beautiful. And any notifications that comes will be shown here. I'm not sure that you'll be able to see this, but any notification that will pop up here. And these are these slots for charging and earphones. Okay, it's making some kind of a music whenever I open and close this flap, as you can see there. That's nice. And coming to camera, this is maybe 1.5 megapixel, maybe 2 megapixel camera there, I don't know, but let me open that thing and show how that camera looks like. So this is the menu here. We got contacts there, call center, settings, multimedia, message, and all that stuff. I'm gonna go into well, not able to see where the camera is. Maybe in multimedia. There is camera. So that's the camera. And there it is. Okay, so that's the camera. It looks okay for me, you know. It looks cool for the price I'm paying. So that's the picture that I took just now. It looks okay, and I'm sure any picture taken in bright lighting in this phone would do a pretty good job. Alright, so that's the camera. We got going to this, and there's a Bluetooth option there. The thing is, I'm not able to see that WhatsApp, you know, kind of thing. They said WhatsApp and Facebook are pre-installed in this, but I'm not able to see them. Maybe I don't know. Maybe in this internet connections, I don't know, I'm not able to see that. Okay, that's it for now. I'm not able to see that WhatsApp and Facebook. Certainly in my next video I'll be able to show them, I'm sure about that. So thanks for watching, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you like this phone as well. So